The following movie is rated I.
So we picked up this 1976 Corvette for my son as a project. The guy was selling it on Marketplace for $6,000 in Carmel. It's in pretty good shape, but it's not perfect. At the time, you could pick this C3 Corvettes up pretty cheap, but now the prices have gone up pretty dramatically. Paint's not perfect. Front looks good. Now squint your eyes a little bit. Someone did a shaker can when they put that rear spoiler fiberglass on. She shines, huh? Not bad. So I'm gonna do a little test drive. Yep, all the gauges work. Even the tack, well, the clock doesn't work, but that's a given. .350 V8, 180 horsepower, I think it was. L48. I took the chrome cap cover off that distributor, but it is on there. Factory air. The only thing I don't like is that seam. Someone replaced that front fender and had it too high. Need some paint work. Other than that, it's good. So yeah. Let her rip, Nick. How's it sound?
Not that loud.
Let it warm up a little. What do you think? It's gonna sound good.
Yeah.
These stainless steel headers. Still in one piece. Of course, both the front calipers started leaking, so we had to replace those. Then we had to take it to the 4th of July Classic Car Parade. No doubt. Do a little cruising at Bear Mountain State Park. Of course, he took it to his prom.
That's done.
Getting ready to put that new intake on. Gonna look good. Had to let him try out my C6 just to see the difference old to new. So what do you think, Nick?
It's fun to drive.
Yearning for more power, we put on some high flow heads and a better intake.
That's the block.
And some roller rockers, of course. Oh yeah, it's nice out. After all this work, we developed a little knock when it got hot. Now looking back at it, I think it may have been an intake gasket leak. This intake and head took the largest intake gaskets, and they barely covered the intake holes. It's been run about 5 minutes. No knock, except that little ting, whatever's coming off the front. Fan or something. So now we finally get to the tear down again, pull the old block out. I picked up a block from my buddy Brian. It was a good wrench motor. He didn't have many miles on it either. He had it in an old Camaro over 20 years ago. Took it out, wrapped it up, kept it in storage. So I bought that block from him and we refreshed it.
Is it stuck on something?
Well, I don't know. Mini truck's working again. You could probably do the hydraulic one now. Time to tear it down and clean it up and hone the cylinders out. It's been sitting a while. A little surface rust. Yeah, it didn't come out half bad. Rings were still good. Main and rod bearings were good. Nice 3/4 cam, double roller timing set with new gears and high volume oil pump. Get the timing gear cover on, oil pickup tube, and bolt that oil pan back on. New harmonic balancer and some new lifters with plenty of lube. Clean up the bolts. Torque the head down.
Perfect.
Now it's starting to look like an engine. Let's get them roller rockers on. Adjust them rockers. Get that intake back on. Let's do some pressure wash sandblast into them Mickey Thompson valve covers. Repaint them. That pressure washer sandblaster works pretty damn good. And look at that paint job. Ain't that purty? Motor's all done, ready to get put in the car. Had to ask Minnie to help again. What a great truck. Have to take a few accessories off the old block to put on a new block. And drop her in, line it up, put the bell housing bolts, the torque converter bolts, like a glove. Oh look, someone did a pressure mod on the old mechanical fuel pump. No biggie, we put an electric fuel pump on. Time to test out our work.
That's on. Position.
Huh, it's filled up already. Sounds like. Alright, pump it a couple times and see if it starts. It's the first start. Battery. Get your jump pack. Alright, let's see if it's got enough now.
Start.
The timing's off. I don't know which way to go with it. Like that, maybe? Try like that. We're gonna have to do the timing. This is just off the wires. Oh well, it started up.
It did start.
Sounded okay.
Cool. Try again.
Yep. had to adjust the timing, so I had to put my phone down. Sounds alright. Now we gotta find what the timing's supposed to be. Happy?
Oh yeah.
Oh look, had one of the front calipers go bad already. First time this wheels have touched the ground in almost a year. It's on the ground, so let's see how she starts. See how it goes in gear. Does it go right in? Might as well roll it out. Oh look, the mice are visiting. Can't have nothing good. Don't forget to test the brakes a little. Keep an eye on all the gauges. This ain't working now.
Maybe it's caught behind the seat?
No, it's the bottom part that comes out. Don't crash.
Don't need the air filter?
Nah, not for this run. Yeah, it's not opening a 4-barrel. I smell a little oil. I thought I saw a puff of something, but something's leaking oil. Probably the valve cover. Yeah, I don't know why the 4-barrel's not opening up. Huh, it's not pushing out. Maybe that seal's no good. Oh yeah, we're low. No leaks underneath. Wow. Still low. Oh yeah. Right at the full. I wonder why the 4-barrel didn't open up. Maybe this wasn't open all the way? Go in there and floor it. I want to make sure it's pulling it all the way. Just hold it to the floor.
It's on the floor.
No, it's not. It's not getting into the 4-barrel. Alright, let it go.
I think it did before.
I don't know how. There's no adjustments. I mean, it just barely opened the 4-barrel.
You were able to open it when you...
By hand, I could do it. You floored it, and then I pushed it, and it opened the 4-barrel up. I had to go like that much more. There's no adjustment on that cable, right? I mean, there's nothing. But look, I mean, technically that should be way out here to start with. Wonder if that cable's been stretched that far. Oh, I guess that they had going into there. Yeah, that's definitely in there. Time to clean up all that old grease and everything else off of there now, huh? Found someone that hasn't paid rent in a while.
A great success!
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.